Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best probiotic for dogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Vital Planet Flora Dog Probiotic. We chose Vital Planet as the best powder probiotic for its combination of strains, reasonable price, and fantastic customer reviews. Vital Planet offers dog probiotics in capsules, chewable tablets, powder, and soft chews to make administering the supplement easy. Its blends are formulated by an expert team, including a veterinarian and animal nutritionist. The company also offers probiotics for cats and other supplements for hip and joint health, digestive care, and more. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Nusentia Probiotic Miracle. Nusentia Probiotic Miracle is our honorable mention pick as the best dog probiotic in powder form for its combination of blends and overall fantastic customer reviews. This vet-recommended formula contains 6 different strains and a prebiotic to combat dog diarrhea, loose stool, yeast overgrowth, bad breath, constipation, itching and scratching, allergies, digestive issues, and gut-related problems. At number 3, we have the Pet Honesty Digestive Probiotic Chews. If you're looking for an alternative to powders or pills, these Pet Honesty Probiotic Chews with digestive enzymes help support digestive health, immunity, and nutrient absorption. They come in 2 flavors, duck or pumpkin, and don't contain wheat, corn, soy, dairy, harmful chemicals, preservatives, or artificial flavoring. Each chew contains 8 strains of bacteria, prebiotics, and enzymes. Made in the USA, in a Good Manufacturing Practices certified and FDA-approved facility, you can trust you are giving your pup a safe daily supplement. They have a money-back guarantee and subscription option to save 20% on recurring purchases. You can also save 10% if you bundle 3 together. At number 2, we have the VetraScience Extra Strength Gut Health Easy Open Capsules. VetraScience is a well-respected canine supplement brand, and its probiotic formula doesn't disappoint. If your dog scoffs at powder on his food, VetraScience's capsules could be an excellent solution. This product contains a prebiotic, 7 bacterial strains, and 7.5 billion CFU per capsule. It's recommended for supporting digestive health and issues related to food sensitivity and allergies. It also promotes a healthy immune and neurological system. And finally, at number 1, we have the Honest Paws Probiotics. Honest Paws, a premium manufacturer of CBD oils and CBD treats, offers a vet-formulated probiotic powder blend that contains a prebiotic, 5 strains of bacterial probiotics, and Solarplast, a spinach leaf extract that promotes cellular restoration and repair. Each serving contains 5 billion CPUs and comes in a single packet, making dosing a breeze. It's chicken-flavored and contains all natural ingredients. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.